Are you ready to get organized for your project submission?
Let's go through 4 key points: signatures, photos, certificate of compliance, and customer invoice and payment record. Firstly, signatures. There are few forms that need to be signed by both customers and installer. Let's talk about the nomination form first.
This mandatory form is used to officially register the customer and their participation in the program prior to the installation. As the installer, you need to ensure the form is signed before any installation work begins. If the customer signs after the installation or doesn't sign at all, unfortunately the job won't be eligible for a discount. Please ensure that all remaining paperwork is properly signed. Besides the nomination form, the customer is required to sign the PID, and the installer must also co-sign it. The installer also needs to sign the Site Assessor Declaration form, which should be signed before installation starts. It is important to keep in mind when each document needs to be signed.
Secondly, photos. Make sure pre- and post photos as well as decommissioning and recycling photos are geotagged. Both, address and dates, must match information across all documents and platform. Make sure the brand model and serial number details on the units are clearly visible and readable. All photos and images should accurately reflect the installation at the time it took place. Please avoid any form of alteration or enhancement, including changes to system details. If these standards aren't met, it may affect your ongoing participation in the program. Let's have a look at the compliance certificate. The primary certificate that needs to be provided is the Certificate of Compliance for Electrical Work. The electrician who signed off the certificate must be registered as an electrician. This is what the Certificate of Compliance must display. Respective certificate serial number. Address must match nomination form and address captured in geotagging. Customer name must match nomination form. Description of work must reflect system details as per compliance plate and invoice. Electrician details including his license number and expire date. Commissioning date must match invoice and photo stamp. And certificate must be signed by respective installer.
Lastly, invoice and payment record. This is what an acceptable invoice looks like. Your company details including ABN. Customer name should be same as nomination form. Installation address as per address captured in geotag. Installation date as per photo stamp. Description of work including brand and model of all installed systems. Discount amount. And total payable amount including GST. Total amount should not be zero. These information need to be reflected on the payment record. This can be a screenshot of bank record, or payment remittance from Xero or MYOB. Payment record must match invoice number, job reference, and amount as provided in the invoice.
Once the project is submitted in our portal, you will receive a notification from us about the outcome.
We look forward to having you on board and supporting you in accessing the funding smoothly.
EC Focus. On tomorrow today.